Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and hope you guys are well. Today we're gonna do an Hermes unboxing and I'm so excited to have this. It took me several years to acquire this particular item and let's open it and find out together. I haven't seen it in person yet, guys. I saw it popping up online and I took advantage of it and bought it right away, and this is it, guys. Let's open it together. I'm so excited to have this, and it came with 2 dust bags, so now you know what is. So this is a pair of shoes, and it's no other than this Hermes Chypre sandals, or Chypre. I don't know how to pronounce it, but you know what I meant. This is just so beautiful, guys. Suede leather, and this is just a perfect color to match my brown bags or my Louis Vuitton bags. And let's open the other pair. Let's remove this. This is my third attempt to buy this sandals. I have not tried it on yet since we just unboxed it together. I hope it will fit me. I am a true 8, and in the past I have ordered the available sizes online, which is 9 and 9.5. I learned that the original size of this is a little bit smaller, so if we will order it online or at the store, we should size up. But not in my case. Even though I size up, since there's no size 8, was way too big on my foot. However, this one, I heard that they updated the size of this sandal, and let me try it on, guys. Oh my god, wow. So here it is, guys. It is just the perfect size for me. Oh my god, after several years of trying, if you follow me on Instagram, you will see that I have unboxed their sandals, or I've posted this kind of sandals, and it's always not the right size. However, this is just the perfect size for me. I know it kind of odd looking at it with this position, but you know what I meant. Finally, I was able to get my size. We have no Hermes store here in my state, and if we go to Vegas is only 4 hours away from us. We spent there our New Year a few years ago. However, I was with my sons, I was with my sister, and my mom and my stepdad tag along with us too. So there's just no chance for me to go to any designer stores since I don't want my family to wait. So I just have to resort in ordering it online, and these are just the perfect size. I can't believe that I got my exact size. Before, I got I think the blue color and black. I'm not sure, but whatever available color that I will find online, I will just like buy it, hoping that it will fit me. Maybe it's just not the right time for me to own these sandals. However, I'm happy with this color. I would prefer a smooth leather over this one, because I know with suede, we still have to be mindful as stains can attach to the suede leather. I will probably spray this with like a waterproof spray, like Colonial Carbon Pro. I will spray this to protect it from dirt and from water stains. And this is just so pretty, guys. I noticed that this one is darker than this leather. And if you're gonna look at it closely, this is darker in color. So it's like a color black style. However, I like that this is the same color of brown. They didn't put like a black color here, but the same shade of brown. And if you're gonna see with my loop hobo bag, it's just perfect. So the dark color in these sandals matches this strap as well as the leather here in the middle. It is so pretty, guys. I am just so happy to be able to snag this finally. And this is my Celine bucket bag. This is the small size, and this is in Triumph design, and it will look so perfect together. And I also have here a Dami Ibin Speedy 20, which I love very much. And I attach here a bandolier XL strap just to be different, because I've been using this non-stop since I got it with a canvas. I tried this leather just to have a different look on this purse, and it also goes perfect with these sandals. Let's say with the one with vaqueta leather. So here is it together. If you have like Louis Vuitton vachette or vaqueta leather, this is just a great neutral, guys. And I love that this is really made well. I can see that the leather attached so well on this rubber, and this is in a sturdy rubber sole. I don't know if I will put a sole protector in here. I'll think about it, but this really is sturdy. I have an orange sandals and it still look good up to now. It's in brown color. The other one is just a little bit lighter in patent leather, and I'm still using those. I didn't put any sole protector at the bottom, but it is very sturdy. It still looks good, and I'm really impressed with the Hermes quality shoes that they have, and hopefully this one will last long as well. And this is adjustable. This one is adjustable with a Velcro strap, and this is just so pretty, guys. I am just so happy. It's just unfortunate that they raised the price on this. I think before it is $740 or $60, and they raised $200 on this particular sandals. And before I was able to snag it, it has already a price increase. So this is the receipt that comes with it. So here, and I paid $974 and a few cents. And the original price is $910 US. It is pricey, but I've been eyeing this for a long time. The last pair of designer sandals that I got is Fendi sandals, which is a little bit heavier than this. This also has a weight on it, guys. But I think the Fendi sandals that I got, it's the Fendigraphy line. It's heavier than this one. What do you think about this, guys? Let me know if you also had a hard time getting this design. As for me, it took me years to get the exact size for me, and I'm really happy that I will not be returning this, because this is just a perfect size on my feet. This is just so pretty. Let me know what you think of this sandals. I really love it. Please hit like if you like this video, and I will appreciate if you will subscribe. So I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.